Alright, here's the deal. Devil's unit. Can't give a seized compressor. Pulling lock rotor amps, kicking right out. Start components good. Shut out the Annie. Wouldn't fire up, so let's get this compressor changed. Alright, back cover is off. So what I like to do is open this control up and unhook the wires going to the compressor. That way I can leave the system energized. Solenoids are on in here, which allows me to pressurize the system, blow all the R290 out. And look, oh my god, R290 unit with taps on it. We're all gonna die. So, let's get this compressor taken out. And also I gotta do pressure control. Pressure controls are weird, they're sealed from the factory. I'll show it to you when I get to it in a little bit, but yeah, let's go ahead and pop this alpha here and get this R290 out. So while I'm unloading everything, bringing everything in, I will actually purge nitrogen through the system, push them through the high side, go through both my solenoids, clear up my coils, and it just comes out this open port over here. I can turn pressure up. I don't know if you can hear it. So I'll do about 5 minutes just to ensure that I got the system free of any R290. So I'll do that while I bring in the compressor and everything else, all my tooling and stuff. So like I said, just trying to make sure I get all the R290 out of the system. So I cut that compressor out for a couple different reasons. You're supposed to leave stubs in here when you send it back to the factory in case you want to test it. I don't think they're going to test it, but they just do. So leave this in here. It's like brace these ends over. Also, this R290, you don't want to be brazing on there unless you're 100% sure all the gas is out. So I just go ahead and cut it out. You always want to cut out filter dryers anyway, since it holds moisture. You don't want to heat that up, create steam, and let it loosen the system. So that's just what I do. We gotta change this pressure control, so let's open that up. I mean, it comes with everything. Board, preset, enclosed. Let's get it on there. Alright, compressor control's in. We change flashlight batteries. Alright, so I got everything cut out. Pipe prepped, so I start getting everything fitted back in. Get the compressor out of the box and get it in there. I'll get the rubber feet isolators in it. I don't want to get it mounted though, because I want to braze this one. Then I'll push it back in and braze this one. Push it back into place, and then do everything out here. So I want to make it easier on myself and do the stuff back here first, while I can have it out of the way. So let's get that done. Alright, for this, I am going to be using the amber controls, and I'm going to be using the precision one, so let's get her hooked up. So, regulators, oxygen, settling, pretty simple. it's on nitrogen. I've got that suction line pushed down in there. So let's get this one brazed up. Still going to use that Amber controls. I'm digging this little precision really a lot. I like this precision one. So it's pretty cool. I'm digging it, man. I'm digging it. This thing's growing on me. So everything's brazed in, do a pressure test. I had a leak back there. My fault, but I got it taken care of. Hold steady, 188.1.2, been 15 minutes. I'll take it. So let's get the vacuum set up. Someone needs to make a Someone needs to make a female to female adapter to shut off in the middle just for micron gauges. Core remove tool, larger vacuum rated hose. I guess it helps if I turn that on. Field piece, NG44. Had pretty good luck with it. And JV Platinum, 7 CFM dual stage pump. Unit is on, so still always do have power. I don't know if you see it flashing. But I'm gonna wire this thing up when this thing pulls down. I think putting in some work. Probably about 10-15 minutes, maybe 15 at the most. Enough time for me to wire my compressor, wire in my pressure switch over there. So let's get it charged up. Unit is cooling 42.5 in the base, rails 44.7. Unit is running. Wasn't too bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it run for a little bit, see what happens, but I'm pretty confident everything's good to go. I pulled down below 500. Held there, charged at 5.29 ounces, so 5.3 ounces left within it. It's rocking and rolling so far, so on to the next one.